Odan CTC TV. The American Piano of Anissa. Odan for na Jatum. Tell Partey. What I say, what Jatum? Tell Partey Jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Muti Tumu. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place mission. Blaster place no. Ghana local place no. All will be a share. City TV. City na. Keko. Go on.
Thank you so much, Alexis.
You do your retro pet show.
In one word, I'd say is amazing. Amazing. What does it show? You know what brings all of us together is the heart of the country.
Don't cross my red carpet.
How many times we're happy, we still go back, sit down, and speaking about
You have to
What are pictures, guys?
which club is your favorite? Which club is my favorite? So I'm such a big photographer. Yes. If I want to go with my glasses and the one I love out of the three, I think I'll go for Partey after Partey. Okay, we're probably fine that you on the red carpet. If you're a footballer, what position? What to be a goalkeeper? Yeah, just relax, and then I'm doing my thing when the ball is coming. Also, great. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was Anita
Please. If you want pictures or videos, please to that side, please. We give you a Yes.
And so that was Thomas Partey that we just spoke to. He is nominated for the player.
a great season. I think
Well, we'll see. It looks as if there might be a surprise in regards to who that the player last year award to the last year.
Whatever pictures you want, please, anyone who is not part of family, please go back. If you are not family, please.
I want them to be after that. So you just be smiling to them. Talking about money. All right, thank you.
And Ashan, areas where Thomas Partey himself grew up. One of the key initiatives of the foundation is organizing football matches and training programs. These events provide a platform for talented players to showcase their skills and potentially secure opportunities at higher levels of the sport.
This tournament is we have to train very hard because when we train it's not easy. So we have to train in that. Maybe Thomas Partey couldn't get this circumstances, but he's providing it for us. He didn't want us to suffer the way he did. So we are very grateful to him.
Beyond sport, the Thomas Partey Foundation is committed to providing community support in various ways. Through donations and development projects, the foundation assists individuals who aspire to improve their lives, but lacked the necessary resources, the foundation continued to serve as a beacon of hope for communities in Ghana and beyond.
Good evening. There's not much to say. I know we all want to help our community, help people grow. So I don't think it's something that we will say we will not believe it. But I wish everyone will continue to do the same. We want to grow more, we want to do more, and also to try and help those who could not get the opportunity. And, you know, I don't do this by myself. I do it with the big man here, Ziga. The stage is yours.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to the organizers for recognizing the good works of the Thomas Partey Foundation. It means a lot to us. Not everyone gets this chance to do this. There are diverse ways of giving back to society. Thomas, as a footballer, wants to give back to Ghana. A product of grassroots football, wants to help people in several ways. And we really appreciate the organizers for recognizing what we are doing and to motivate us to do more. So many thanks to you all, and we say a very good evening to you.
Congratulations to Thomas Partey, who is also a two-time recipient.
The one who is going home with the bragging right for the 2025.
Here are the nominees for Footballer of the Year. This is the flagship accolade of the Ghana Football Awards scheme and will be given to the Ghanaian footballer who is adjudged to have been the overall best performer in the season under review. And the nominees are Antoine Semenyo, Thomas Partey, Inaki Williams.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So our Footballer of the Year 2025 is Thomas Partey.
Woo! Congratulations to Thomas Partey, the first footballer in the history of the Ghana Football Awards to win the topmost accolade 3 times. Definitely a hat-trick of Footballer of the Year award. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time for Thomas Partey. And coming in ably supported by his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jacob Partey. Let's hear it for them. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the man who has now scored a hat-trick of Footballer of the Year awards here at the Ghana Football Awards. Thomas Partey.
First of all, I want to say thank you to the organizers. It's been 3 times on a row. I appreciate that. And also to everyone who voted for me. I know it's not easy. I have a lot of mates who deserve it. I'm not the only one, but as you know, I have the support of my family. And I take this as much importance as any award I will take.
Congratulations one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Thomas Partey, the Footballer of the Year at the 7th edition.